We're gonna do the questions from dimensions worksheet. There are 5 questions, so let's do the first one now. I'll read the question and then we can do the answer. A calorie is a unit of heat energy in transit and it equals about 4.2 joule, where 1 joule is 1 kilogram meter square second inverse square. Suppose we employ a system of units in which the new unit of mass equals alpha kg, the unit of length equals beta meter, the unit of time is gamma second. Show that a calorie has the magnitude of 4.2 alpha inverse beta raised to negative 2 gamma square in terms of the new units. Okay, it's a pretty big question, but the answer is quite simple. So what is it given? It's given an information. It's given that 1 calorie is a calorie is a unit of heat, just like how joule is. Joule, calorie, these are all forms of energy, and in this case it's heat. So it's given 1 joule is equal to 1 kilogram meter square second inverse square. Okay, and we are given, suppose we employ a new system of units apart from the standard SI units. So it's given, suppose the new unit of mass is alpha kg. So 1 new unit, NU means new unit, I'm just abbreviating it. 1 new unit of mass, okay, of mass is equal to alpha kg. Okay, 1 new unit of length is equal to beta meter, right? And the new unit of time is equal to gamma second. Okay, so what can we infer from this? 1 new unit of mass is alpha kg. We have to convert this kg, meter and second into alpha, beta and second, alpha, beta and gamma. Okay, and we'll get we have to show that it is equal to 4.2 alpha inverse beta inverse square gamma square. So what do we do to find? We know 1 new unit of mass is alpha kg. So how much is 1 kg in the terms of new unit? 1 kg would equal to, this would imply 1 kg. If we take the alpha down, 1 kg would equal to 1 by alpha of the new unit, right? Did you understand? We took the alpha to the denominator. Since this is 1 times alpha, we can just take this alpha down here. So 1 kg would equal to 1 by alpha new. Here also, this is all multiplied by 1. So we can say 1 meter would equal to 1 divided by beta new units. Okay, and we can say 1 second is equal to 1 by gamma new units, right? What is 1 by alpha? We can write in the exponential form alpha inverse new units, or beta inverse new units, or second inverse new units. Okay, now we have this conversion. 1 kilogram is equal to alpha inverse, 1 meter is equal to beta inverse, 1 second is equal to gamma inverse, right? So we substitute these values into 1 joule. So 1 joule would be equal to 1 times, what is 1 kilogram? 1 kilogram is alpha inverse. So alpha inverse times meter is by beta inverse. So beta inverse raised to 2 times second inverse, second raised to minus 2. So second here is gamma inverse raised to minus 2. We do some algebra of limits. 1 alpha inverse beta inverse raised to 2 is beta raised to minus 2. Gamma minus raised to minus 1 raised to minus 2 is gamma raised to 2. So we got the conversion 1 joule is equal to 1 alpha inverse beta raised to negative 2 gamma square. Now what do we need? we need what is a calorie in terms of this. We know 1 calorie is 4.2 joule, right? As per the question, 1 calorie is 4.2 joule. So what is, we know 1 joule is 1 alpha inverse beta raised to minus 2 gamma square. So what is 4.2 joule? You just multiply 4.2 on both sides, we get 4.2 alpha inverse beta raised to minus 2 gamma square. So hence we proved 1 calorie is equal to 4.2 alpha inverse alpha raised to minus 1 beta raised to minus 2 gamma square. So in such questions, when we are needed to employ a new system, we equate the new system with the variables, and then we find those the standard units in terms of those variables and substitute into the question, and then you can show that so and such is equal to this in this system of units. Okay. A new unit of length is chosen such that the speed of light in vacuum is unity. What is this distance between the sun and earth in terms of the new unit if light takes 8 minutes and 20 seconds to cover this distance? Okay, so we know the speed of light is 3 times 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Okay, but here it is given we employed a new system of units where the speed of light was 1. Unity means 1. So speed of light is 1, and the time taken for light to come from the sun to the earth is 8 minutes and 20 seconds. So we just have to find distance. It's a really simple question. I'll give you, we know speed here is given 1 new unit. Okay, speed of light is 1 new unit, and the time taken for light to reach from sun to earth is 8 minutes 20 seconds, right? If we convert this into seconds, 8 minutes is 480 seconds, so 480 plus 20 is 500 seconds, right? So we have speed and we have the time. Now we just need the distance. To find the distance, we do speed times time, right? Because speed is distance by time, we cross multiply, distance is equal to speed into time, which is equal to 1 new unit times 500. So the new distance will be 500 new units. So hence we found the distance between the sun and earth in terms of this new unit is 500. It's a pretty simple question.